everybody. Welcome back to Emma Great. We wanted to give you a quick tour of our new location. This is our front yard. And then you come around, there's the front door of our new house. So you come in the front door, it's a nice little seating area. Then you go to the right where you have a bathroom that goes outside and hello.
Hi, this is my room. So this is also a guest room. So if you want to come and visit us, this will be where you're staying. These are some couches, an outlet there, and there's a view from the outside.
Ooh, what a view.
Also, there's a mini coffee table.
Place to put on some makeup, I see.
And then over there is my closet, and there's a really pretty painting right there.
Nice. We're gonna go out now of Zoe's little suite area. And we're gonna head into, we have one more little room over here. It's got its own bathroom as well. And this is actually a bedroom as well. It's kind of like it was, I think, what was the maid's room. Now it's just got some junk in it from our move down here. But people could stay in this room if they needed to, if we had a big family come and visit us. And then we're gonna go head upstairs really quick. So this is the upstairs, nice little display there of some beautiful shells. Up the stairs and to the right, we have a little viewing area where you can watch some Netflix, or we like to watch Clase en Vivo, the Spanish-Mexican education. Hey, boys!
Hi.
This is our room. This is the boys' room. AJ has a little computer area that he's made. Finley, want to show me your bed, Finley? Whose bed is whose?
I made that bed. Me and Finny sleep on that. AJ sleeps on this.
And they have their own bathroom as well. And a whole big closet too.
I organized almost everything.
You organized almost everything. They're very organized. Thank you, boys, for showing me your room. Then we come across the hall. And who do we have over here? So, thank you. So this is your purple room. You have a chair and a table for some school as well. And you have a lovely painting as well. And then a very long hallway that goes to their own closet and bathroom as well.
Yep.
Thank you guys for showing me your room. Now we're gonna go to the biggest kids' room. Hello.
Howdy.
This is the master bedroom. It has its own closet and bathroom as well. But really, this is what you're here for. This is our view from outside. And we're gonna go back down the stairs because we haven't seen a couple of things. Go this way. We'll go through the little hallway that you saw before with the little room back there. Then there's a kitchen. It's small but functional. Things work. It's got a beautiful big refrigerator.
The fridge.
Then we have the dining area. Giant table with 8 chairs, just enough for us. And a little seating area. We actually put this couch here so that we can use this wall for movies. But once again, this is what you get. This is our patio. I sit out here every morning. We've got a dragon outside. And then our own private beach. Well, it's not very private because we have so many people on it. Don't forget
The functioning hammock.
the hammock. And our very own pool. That's right, that goes to our front yard so we can run back and forth. It's a very nice pool. And of course our pool has a picture. And we found a big crab. We did find a crab the other day. So nothing like a pool with a view, right everybody?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our channel.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you soon.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget.
Hit the bell so you never miss a video.
Hit the bell so you never miss a video. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.